Drop it. And what's going on? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, Randy. Good morning, everybody. All right, so I'm in a play, and it looks like I should have secured, right? I hit the 1-to-1, broke the 24. I wasn't fast enough. I was trying to set up for the stream, and then now I'm like, oh no, I'm down $2,400. Oh, Jesus. Oh, well, right. How you guys doing? How is everybody doing? Good morning. Hey, what's up, Gio? Granddad's Cash, good morning. We have everybody here. I played Spy Down and took profit already. Good morning. Good for you. Good for you. Hit that death candle. Alright, Mr. Brosepticon, Matthew. What's up? Got caught in a data release. Couldn't resist. I think CL's my new favorite future sticker. Go you. Alright, morning, Gabe, Incisor, good morning, everybody, good morning, and just like that, we're up 1,200, I'm paying attention to that 24 EMA, and, let's see, if we get some death here, wondering if we get some death, I'd like to see some death, and, good morning, Quiet Cowboy, Phoenix, TMR trades got caught. That trade design at open, nice $600. That's awesome. Currently up $1,300. Not bad, right? Into this trade design, you guys see right there, $1,300. It's slipping from me. Just looking at the RSI here, guys, I have two RSIs. This is the 15 RSI. This is the 5 RSI. I don't say for you to don't do as I do. Please don't. Just using it and testing it right now to see how we could integrate this into our system to be able to identify a larger trend, right? So let's see. You're probably going to get that vicious bounce or that vicious break to the downside. Who knows? I think I'm caught in it. It was pretty bad. It was 2,000. It was as high as 1,300. 15 is really not a big deal. It's not a big deal. Right, so let's see. Up, green. It's messing around here. Okay, good. That's all I want to see. I just want to see green there. Come on, green. Ugh. Man, this thing is just fucking with me. I don't like it. Alright, there you go. Trend down. What are you guys doing? What's happening here? Yeah, this is not for the faint of heart. 15 contracts. Oh no. Risking 300 on every trade. Well, yeah, you know what? I have it set. My settings are set to 300, right? But it's not 300. Oh man. Let's see. We get this dip there. Let's see. Catch up with everybody. We got Rick here. The usual suspects. Nice to see you here. Just trying to keep an eye on this trade here as well while I'm managing this stream. Pablo, good morning. John, good morning. Jay Styles, Incognito, Pitch Trader, Randy, Tori, Samuel, Franklin, Daniel, Mitch, Gerald, Gaetano, Larry, Mike D, Pablo, Dr. Bob, Dupont, Alex, Moto, of course. Great Babe. How you doing, brother? Mike Studsville. Yo. That's a new name. That's a new name. Fave Trader says, scared money don't make money. Well, I mean, I don't really like that mindset because, I mean, we are taking calculated risks, right? D Young, what's up? Daily Taylor, good morning. All right, here we go. Right, if you don't risk it for the biscuit, up 1500. I'm looking for that 24. It's gonna tap that 24. I think I'm just, there you go. It's just tapping it, 2000. Come on, come on. There you go, I'm just gonna get out, whatever. All right, made a nice 2,000 bucks there on that trade. Okay. Right. It don't lose as much either. All right, so there you go, $2,000, trade design, 1, 2, 10 minutes. Not bad. Not bad. I mean, it's the weekend. I'll figure out something to do with that money. Oh, well, damn. It just blew right. It just went, right? Let's see. Tesla making that move. Wreck It Ralph, you love Tesla. You and Tesla need to just walk down that aisle, sir. Wreck It Ralph, let me ask you something. With all the money you're making with Tesla, do you have a Cybertruck on pre-order? Romago, the trade design really does make it that easy, right? All the trade design leaves you to do is manage your emotions. That's all it leaves you to do. Just manage your emotions. As it stands right now, I mean, this thing paid. It came down to a level, broke a level, came down to the nearly the 48 here. I mean, would I re-enter on this trade design? I don't know. If RSI down here, which is my 15-minute RSI, if that breaks the moving average, yeah, I'm going in. I'm going in. Hell's yeah, I'm going in. Let's see. Arvin says the truck is hideous. Yeah, I mean, it's not for everyone, just like this channel is not for everyone, right? It's specifically for people who actually like to make money. Wreck-It Ralph has a 2010 Tesla Roadster. Wait. He has a Tesla Roadster. It's sitting in Texas, and he does not like EVs yet. Okay. All right. Looks like a Minecraft truck. Yeah. Yeah, it does. Buy the truck, make some content, truck is free. I suppose so. Wreck-It Ralph. Man, I don't know, man. You're gonna get that listed in the DuPont auctions? A 2010 Tesla? That's pretty wild. Danny the Piercer. Ralph and I come from a carhead school. Oh, or town. Fair enough. Fair enough. Just hit your apex goal. Dope. That's what I want to see. I want to see you guys hitting those apex goals. Absolutely. Maybe in 20 years. New Teslas are fun. I mean, they are a lot of fun to drive. The Plaid, I had a lot of fun with her. The thing is, she could not stop. She could not stop. Oh my god. That was wild. Okay, let's get some tickers out here. I love it. Have Cybertruck on pre-order. Wife has Model Y, and awesome. Dope. All right, let's get some tickers in here, guys. Let's see if we can make some money. Actually, you know what? Since we're talking about Tesla, let's take a look at Tesla. Let's see. What do we have here? Here we go, Tesla. You have a trade design here. Ralph, you got a level here at 256.20. You also have a zone here at 255.86. I'm not sure if I'm feeling all that right now. Um, okay. Well, it's giving you an entry. This is interesting. This is interesting. You have Heikinashi parabolic star signaling down with Tesla. Ooh, Ralph, what are you doing here, sir? Ralph, where was your entry? Was it somewhere here at 257.23? CPI data coming in soon? Huh? Was it CPI yesterday? What? Okay. Let's get some tickers in here, guys. You're more than welcome to ask away. We get some tickers. Let's make some money. I know, D money. It's Friday. And if CPI data was coming out, it would have came out. It would have came out at 8:30 too. Oh, Netflix. Let's do that. Let's do Netflix. Netflix trade design has you set up pretty. It looks like it wants to come down. Um, we have one last part of this equation. You guys see the check marks here? One last part of this equation right here, which is red parabolic stars. And I think that Netflix could keep on coming down. Could definitely keep on coming down. Right? Trade design has you set up nicely. Just be mindful of, your RSI. Keep that below 50 on the 5-minute time frame and see what it's looking like on the 15. You get a cross on the 15. That means we are in a nice downtrend there. Look at her going. We just need that red parabolic star, guys, with Netflix, and it's doom. Reese Pool says, tried to take Amazon to the upside, but it stopped me out. May try again if it gives me the opportunity. Let's take a look at Amazon. Right, and I see. So the reason why Amazon stopped you out, Reese Pool, was because you didn't get your entry. Right? I don't think you are. The way this is trending down right now, and you only have a 50-50 chance of going long here. See, you have your 2 check marks there. So I would honestly look for a trade design to the downside, right? Looks like you entered too soon. Okay, don't make that same mistake when you get a trade design to the downside, right? Let's see. Let's see. All right, anything else? Let's get some tickers in here. Let's see if our trade designs could really just help you take it to the next level, because apparently it really does look easy peasy, right? ES 15-minute RSI crossing down. Let's go ahead and take a look at ES really quick. What do we have here for the trade design on ES? It's really coming. And for where I entered at 4399 to where it's at right now, or where it came down to 4388, those 10 points, that would have passed the 15K valuation. Excuse me, the 150K valuation with 15 contracts. It would have passed it in basically one trade. I ended up taking, let me see what I end up taking. I've taken $3,000 profit on there. So I got $6,000 more to pass that evaluation today. So the day before I passed the 150 eval count, Yesterday I passed another 150 eval count. Today I intend to pass another 150 eval count. So yeah, this is a prop firm buster. Absolutely. You want to pass it? This is going to help you pass it. All right. Let's get some more tickers in here. Meta, okay. Let's check out Meta. Meta has you set up beautifully here. You got your entry. So this trade design just, it did its job. It got your entry. Now the question is, do you do your job? And I think your job is to take your profit. Well, Wreck-It Ralph, actually, the truth is, and I was explaining to Hot Potato, what I want to see with Apex, and I have nothing against Apex, right? But the whole funded trader concept, right? Are they truly booking their traders? Because if they're not, then all I'm going to do is I'm going to keep stacking and stacking and stacking in Apex until they bust at the seams, right? And it'll just be really, really interesting after I have 10 funded accounts and I run them up, what type of communications they're going to give me. You know, like, we don't know their business model. I don't know their business model exactly. But when I see the top payouts, it's thousands upon thousands upon thousands of people taking $2,000 payouts. I want to see if I can run them up until they bust at the seams. I know it sounds malicious, but hey, it's great for marketing, is it not? It's great for Trade 1348, is it not? So it's a win-win. If they could pay out, they win. I get paid out, I win. Right? I'm just testing it. So that's what I'm doing. I'm doing it for science, boys and girls. Yeah. Okay. Moving along. It's business. That's all it is. There you go. Uh, PSX. Let's check out PSX. But Meta, hey, look at Meta paid. You're all set with that. Trade design paid. You're all set with that. Okay. Let's look at PSX. Phillips 66. And you have a trade design to the upside. However, you have your RSIs like disagreeing with you completely. I would not take this trade. Wait for a trade design to the downside. That's all I'm going to tell you. Well, Apex is a firm of maybe about like 4 or 5 people. So, I don't know. I'm just going to test their theory. I mean, of course, I trade my own money because I have to make a living. But this is just a fun bullshit test, right? And so when I have 10 accounts, link them all up. And what I'm going to do is, this is my plan with Apex. I'm going to link up all 10 accounts. I'm going to gradually give myself buffer, right? So that I can play with very, very large position size without having to worry about drawdown, right? So that's the name of the game. I figure if I can work up a buffer from 150K up to a 200K, that gives me about a $45,000 buffer where I can just go willy-nilly, right? I'll go willy-nilly on them. It's for science. That's the goal. Are they going to give me the band hammer? Maybe. Who knows? But see, if they give me the band hammer, doesn't that say a lot? That says a whole lot. Anyways, let's get back to our trades. PSX, as I stated earlier, you don't have an entry here. Things aren't really looking good for PSX. You have a red ribbon showing here, although you could barely see it, right? Red ribbon. This could literally just be some sideways action for the time being. I'd be careful. How do you avoid drawdown? Well, the way to avoid drawdown, actually, the best way to avoid drawdown is to actually catch momentum, right? You catch momentum, but you want to be on the right side of momentum, but you want to catch a retracement candle. So you want to sell on green, buy on red, right? So when that candle comes down, you really don't have drawdown, right? It just keeps on coming on down. I read on their Facebook page they said they had a payout over 700,000. Yeah, I think I'm going to be a little more ambitious than that. So I'm not going to be taking payouts. I mean, it's what, 2 months anyways? So I'm just going to run them up for 2 months and see what that is. Who knows? All right. Anyways, let's get back to the mission here. The mission is to make money right now. Let's go. Wreck-It Ralph. How are you doing in that Tesla there, man? How are things looking here? It's just a lot of sideways here for you, man. I'd say be careful. Be careful. Uh, tum 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 tum. If you don't take the payouts, you don't owe taxes on it. AMC puts paid. All right, Wreck-It Ralph, look at you here. You're setting up pretty. You have a level here. You have the zone here. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Go get you some, brother. You just made bank. Anyways. Oh, you're playing 2 weeks out. Got you. Got you. Okay. Okay, fair enough. It is Friday. Please, no one, if you're playing options, please, right? No 0 days. TJ Wyatt says, can I get a shout out? All right, you're getting a shout out, brother. Go fuck your mother. What's up, man? Chris says, trailing drawdown, tie a string to a rock, drag the rock, don't ever make it back to the rock that is chasing you. Trailing drawdown, I believe it just stops following you after an X amount. Okay. Jill and Arts, no way. No way. Now, let's see. Another ticker. Static has no trailing drawdown? What the hell is static? Yeah, we got, we got freaking, we got, all these prop firms just coming out of nowhere. Like Top Fronted Trader is based in Orlando. It's based in Orlando, right? On the west side. Right? On the west side. Just the most sketchy part of Orlando. That's where your Top Fronted Trader, like, that's where their offices are. Top Step is in Chicago. Actually, in a nice office building, by the way. All right. Let's see. Apex has a full account and static accounts. Static accounts have no trailing drawdown, but they limit you to 2 max contracts. I see. Isn't Top Step that music the kids listen to? Moto? I don't know, man. All right. All right. Someone mentioned the queues. You guys want to look at the queues? Let's look at the queues here. Well, the queues paid. That trade design right there, it gave it to you. You paid. That's currently a 2-to-1. And then Tesla broke lows. Oh boy. Oh boy. Moto's dubstep. You guys remember who's that guy? Really put dubstep on the map. Is what was his name? Marquez. The pumped up kicks. You guys ever remember watching that video? He was on Ellen. Anyways, took 16% on Tesla, 255 puts. Dope. But hey, these queues, They paid. Good stuff, guys. You made bank. God pill. Okay, God pill. That's right. So, next up, come on. Let's look at the spy. Let's see if we got a trade design on the spy here. Oh, Jesus. All right, anyone who enjoys playing the spy, well, your trade design just, Jesus. Anybody feel like they're just, I don't know, just pointing, shooting, printing, and really just makes the market that much more boring, right? Uh, I think we would get sued if we started the Sesame Street prop firm. I think we would get sued. Oh boy. The gamer says, "Feel like I'm dreaming." Hey man, you trade designs. You look for your setups. You go ahead and you look for your check marks here. Look at the check marks. You got four check marks there. Options, yes, I love it. Future's still raping me in Dark Alley. Moto, I think you're overcomplicating it. TMR, thank you for that. Tyler says, hit the like button, you slackers. Let's hit the like button. This trade design paid. It lets you know when it was 4 check marks in, coming on down. It did give you a 2-to-1 here. That's more than you deserve. Now you're getting a little bouncy here. You don't have a fully developed trend to the downside. Okay? So let's be mindful of that. Um, AMC, anyone? Oh, well, AMC's a tradable stock. Nice. There's some money to be made here. That's a decent amount of money here. Not bad. Is this a reaction to Adam Aaron's little he was sexting who he thought was a ballerina, and he's been married since 1987. Oh man. Oh man. MCL. Let's check out MCL. Oh, nice. Okay. Check this out, guys. MCL doing his thing here. Look at those crude oil futures, giving you an entry, getting you up right up to a level. It's happening. You had the wick right up here to the 1-to-1. This is a great entry. You have your 4 check marks here. You have your parabolic star, Heikinashi in agreement. You have your golden eye, but this is a B setup. Remember, it is trending down, but this thing just decided to go to the moon. I would go ahead and secure some profits there. If you have quite a few, maybe scale out. Alvarez says the stock was down, but his dick was up. No, here's the thing that just bothers me about that whole Adam Aaron thing. This is the only thing that bothers me. He assumed that this woman was a 17-year-old Russian ballerina whom he had a previous relationship with. And quote unquote, unimaginable things happened. I'm sorry. That just comes across as really fucking weird to me. Really fucking weird to me. And because of that, man, I don't know. BJ level for AA. Apex has 43% passing rate before Gabe stepped in. Oh man, great babe. That's funny. Previous relationship with a ballerina. Look this up. You can't make this shit up. Arvin says, I imagine salted caramel macchiatos for breakfast. Jesus. Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Okay. Yeah. Because of that, I don't know if I could show that man my support. I mean, he should have just, like, should have just stood with Miss Cucumbers. I don't know. Danny the Pierce, a full confession. I'm a holder. You need help, sir. Okay, so that oil paid. You're back in there. I mean, just please, please, just trade. I mean, this is futures. Futures doesn't really give you much time to fuck around and find out, alright? Like, tutus and strap-ons, anyone? Maybe so. Maybe so. But, oof. Oh my god, down $1 since open. 10% since open. Yikes. That's not a good look for AMC. 10% since open. Yow. Um, yeah, that's emotional damage. Jesus. Okay. Let's go back to stocks that actually make us money. I mean, well, guys, it made you money here. Just in case you're wondering if you wanted to make some money with AMC because you're tired of holding a bag and you wanted to play some options. There you go. Ralph? Oh, you're spicy today. No. Oh, okay. Okay. Wreck-It Ralph. It's Spicy Friday for you. Spy A setup. Let's go ahead and look at Spy, boys and girls. Let's see if we could make some money over and over and over. You're going to see these trade setups put you in a good position. So you have the 24 here on the 5 minute with SPY. You have it right there. You have your entry right here. You do only have a 50-50 chance right here. I would like at the very least to see a third check mark go green. And ugh, this is a tough one, right? This is a tough one. Interesting. Yeah, be careful. This one's really interesting. I don't know. I don't know. Um, what you think of this? The 15 minute is pivoting up, right? And the 15 minute is a stronger trend than the 5. You got a retracement candle here. This thing could actually really, really go, especially if we get some parabolic stars here. Moving on up, right? Give us a 3 and 4 check marks here. Let's see, what levels do we have? A level here, you have a high. You have 437 there's $3 move. This is interesting. So let's see. Let's see if we're gonna have a breakthrough here. But settings are the second RSI. The second RSI, if you go on over to settings, you hit your time frame and just select 15-minute. That's it. That's it. Tesla level back test, adding to shorts 2 weeks out. Go for it. Nice. We're fighting the 200 on the 15. Let's look at SPY on the 15. Uh, this looks like it wants to come on down right there, huh? Could get that 24 bounce on a 15 with the SPY. That would definitely make things very, 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 very interesting. Let's see. Let's look at NVIDIA. Okay, NVIDIA trade design definitely did pay you out, guys. Definitely gave you that 1-to-1. Well, you're probably already late to the party here, but that's the 15-minute, by the way. So that is the larger trend. And then it's giving you a trade design to the upside, but we don't have full-on agreement just yet. This could be a really, really interesting morning. AMD B setup. Let's take a look at AMD. Yeah, I'm not entirely convinced at this point with the B setup. You already got your rejection from the 24. I would just wait for the next day setup. You already have your rejection from the 24 there. Um, what else? Let's look at Palantir. You got a B setup showing here, guys. Right, what else? Shoot some tickers here. You know what? The market just got boring now. That's all that happened. The market just got boring. It just made its move, and then market just got boring. Let's go back to the SPY, and you'll see. It just got boring, right? Uh, okay. Yeah. My order hit. Sweet. I was waiting. I don't know if you guys could see that there, but I was playing it short. Um, yes, I was playing yes short. So QQQ crossing. Hey Gabe, 15-minute RSI moving average is a bit flat. With that indicate chop. That is usually a really good indication of chop as well. Yeah. CL setup down. Let's take a look at that. And I don't know. We have agreement here on the way down. You have two here. I would wait for a break through the entry. One contract, boys and girls. Wait wait for a breakthrough that entry and wait for confirmation, right? So at the very least, I'd like to see a red parabolic SAR here developing, and then you get a breakthrough that entry there. But for the most part, guys, if you just really look at what's happening here, it's just really sideways action. Tesla, good night. Oh boy, Rao. All right, buddy. There you go. Nice, beautiful, paid, done. Almost every trade design we've shown you this morning has in fact paid. If you want, and for those who are sitting in the back and are just like, sort of kind of like, what's this all about? Well, it's basically trading made simple. We give you a trade design, we give you the metrics, we give you the strength of that possible trade, we teach you everything you need to know, and once again, we just make trading simple, and that's why we have loads of people who are printing, some who aren't really with futures. Moto, you're just making me look bad, sir. But yeah, guys, market's slow. Really not much entertaining or entertainment going on right now. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and kill this stream. Maybe I'll pop up or pop on when I'm getting ready to pass that evaluation. Number 3, 3 for 3. Okay. Love you guys. Peace out. Let's just leave you with this very last trade design right there. Look at Tesla. So beautiful. Wreck-It Ralph is like, I'm getting paid really quick. Okay, Amazon here. It's getting ready. Really quick, it's getting ready. You have one final check mark right there. Getting ready. And then ES. What do we have with ES? What did ES just do? Oh, as I suspected. That's why I went short with it. Sweet. Alright, guys. Peace out.